The wish by Jamaican football fans to watch the Reggae Boys play inside the National Stadium could materialize towards the end of January 2022. This was revealed on Tuesday by local government minister Desmond Mackenzie and was also expounded on in Parliament by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Spencer Darlington reports.
January 27 is the date earmarked for the possible return of football fans to the National Stadium to witness the Reggae Boys in action. On that day, they will host Mexico in a return leg CONCACAF World Cup qualifier. Having had two failed attempts to get fans to attend the World Cup qualifiers at the National Stadium, the Jamaica Football Federation made another plea to the government for spectators to be in attendance on November 16 when the Reggae Boys will meet the United States at the office. However, local government minister Desmond Mackenzie has announced that while fans will not be able to be physically present at the November 16 contest, the possibility of permitting fully vaccinated spectators to attend the next qualifying home game in January is being explored. November 16 will mark Jamaica's 24th anniversary since qualifying for its first and only FIFA World Cup to date. Jamaica is the only team in the CONCACAF final round of World Cup qualifying which is not allowed spectators inside its designated home stadium. In a release from his ministry, Mackenzie said a meeting was held on Tuesday involving the Ministry of Local Government and several of its agencies. Minister Mackenzie noted that they examined the possibility of allowing fully vaccinated spectators to attend the November 16 game, but concluded that given the delicate stage of managing the pandemic, as well as the extensive logistical inputs needed to ensure that only vaccinated persons enter the venue, it was impractical to give the green light for public access to this game. However, Minister Mackenzie said discussions would continue regarding the possibility of allowing fully vaccinated fans for the January 27 encounter. He said the consultations will be influenced by the continuous monitoring of the COVID-19 indicators in the country, including the positivity rate. The minister said once a decision is arrived at, an announcement will be made in due course. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness also addressed the issue while speaking in Parliament on Tuesday.
I know many persons would have loved to witness the match in the stadium. It may be a possibility in home games to come, maybe not the next one, but maybe the one after, because we are putting in place the measures to treat with public gatherings for vaccinated persons.
The Prime Minister added that going forward, the government's decision on gatherings will be guided by the World Health Organization.
The science behind it is clear. The advice behind it is clear from the WHO regarding controlling gatherings while you're still in the pandemic phase, protecting those who have been vaccinated, and ensuring that life can go on as close to normal as possible.
In the meantime, the local government minister concluded that the government will take all responsible measures to promote the return of spectator participation in sport in the safest way possible in the shortest possible time. The Reggae Boys' next World Cup qualifying match will be away to El Salvador on November 12. The Reggae Boys are currently 6th in the 8-team group on 5 points. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.